6 quick reasons to use Instagram guides to grow your business. When new features are introduced on platforms, often some users are hesitant to undertake the process of using them. When the feature is released, usually there's not immediate uptake by all users. This can prevent other creators from using it as well. This is a misplaced fear. Instead, rather than shying away from using a new feature, you should be embracing it. This quick presentation will take you through some reasons why you should start using Instagram guides today. First, platforms tend to reward creatives that are brave enough to use new features. Therefore, you might find Instagram favoring your posts and improving your location in your followers' algorithms, as well as increasing your exposure to new followers. If you are aiming to truly capitalize on the new update, work quickly. With quick uptake, you'll find that you have less competition within the field of guides. This means that your content does not have to be as refined as a post would need to be in order to send it out. Your followers will be more impressed with your guides because they have less to compare them to. This is not to say, of course, that your guides would not be good. Simply that followers have low expectations to begin with. Nevertheless, guides are a great way to give information on a certain topic. You can create collections of posts that are all based around the same thing. This is a great way to highlight certain areas of your feed without your followers having to scroll through all of your posts. You can also show the content that is relevant to yours by including content from other creators. You can give much-needed exposure to other creators as well as building a community between your audience and theirs. You can also use specific guide features to recommend products that are tagged on the Instagram shop features as well as physical locations. If you own a small business with a physical location that is tagged on Instagram, this is an excellent way for you to promote your business. You can include photos that other users have put up in order to include some user-generated content and show your followers, future customers, that other people have enjoyed their time there. This is a way to amplify the word-of-mouth marketing that many businesses rely so heavily upon. Instagram guides bring a new way to collaborate with other users. You'll be able to build a partnership with someone by sharing their posts or them sharing yours in a guide. This is an excellent way to increase your exposure. Instagram guides operate as an authoritative thing, which means that your audience will perceive you as an expert in your given industry. It will add to brand power. You can also present yourself as an expert in any given topic by creating a guide on it. You can collate other users' posts on a topic and include yours in with them. In conclusion, building a business on Instagram has never been easier. All you have to do is determine which elements will be the most effective for you and focus on them. How to use Instagram guides to supplement your posts. Instagram guides are a fantastic way to supplement your posts. With standard feed posts on Instagram, you are constrained with either posting text-heavy pictures across as many slides as you need, or including information in a caption with a finite character count that your followers may not read all the way through. And if you have extra words that you need to add, you'll have to paste them as a comment on your post. Naturally, this is not ideal for a lot of circumstances. For this reason, the use of Instagram guides may be incredibly useful for explaining text-heavy concepts or ideas, interspaced with visual aids. Guides will not extend the number of words you can include in captions, but they will allow you to further express your ideas and expand on what you mean in a longer form manner. Users will use guides to actively look for information, meaning it is the perfect place to take an authoritative stance on issues and make recommendations on particular topics. Instagram guides can only be created based on posts that have already been posted, meaning you cannot upload pictures that have not already been posted on Instagram. This adds another dimension to your posts and is something that you can take into consideration when creating posts. You can also supplement your posts with other users' posts. This is a great way to show that you're not confined to your bubble and aware of the world that is going on around you. It is a way to cement yourself within your industry and prove yourself as an expert. When using the product feature of guides, this is a great way to add extra and additional information about a certain product. This could include reviews or explanations into the product's use or making method. You could also include behind-the-scenes looks. Guides are a great way to collect all your posts on one theme in one place. This makes it easier for your audience to find certain posts without having to scroll through your entire feed. Additionally, your audience will be able to find recommendations and interact with your content in a more meaningful way that is entirely relevant to them. Guides are the best way to add more detail to certain topics that you have branded yourself as an expert in. For a very basic example, if you post a lot of photos of brunch, creating guides around the best brunch spots or best coffee or the most Instagrammable decor would be a fantastic way to take your content to a whole new level. With the advent of this feature, Instagram has effectively created a way for you to expand on your content in a clean and concise manner, but not necessarily having to ruin the theme of your feed. It is a super effective way to convey information and position yourself as an authority on any given thing. To conclude, guides can be the perfect way to expand on your posts and give your audience a deeper understanding of your content.